Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of failed opening on Netflix. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Netflix and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.